Hello students, today we are going to read English 2 for class 8, Harun meets Eve. Our text, Harun meets Eve, is an extract of Harun and the Sea Stories by Salman Rushdie. This story is widely popular novel of Salman Rushdie, which is based on imagination. It is based that how stories are created or how the stories are the ultimate result of our imagination. Students, here you can see the image of Salman Rushdie. He is a British Indian novelist and essayist who was born in Bombay, and he is known for his elaborately fantastical stories which combine magical realism with historical fiction. His most popular works include the Booker Prize winning Midnight Children. I think most of you have read this book. Very popular and nice. The Enchantress of Florence, and so on. Students, let's start our chapter. But what I am going to do is that I will explain you paragraph wise. I will give you the summary of the story, and you have to go through the chapter thoroughly. Word by word you have to go through the chapter. Some phrases, some words I am going to discuss. So please sit with your pencil and listen very carefully. So the story of Alif Bay is home to a sad city. The city, what we are going to discuss, the city is near a sea and is filled with ruined buildings and miserable people. In this city lives a famous cheerful storyteller named Rashid Khalif, who is the protagonist of this story, and next protagonist is his son Harun. You will get Rashid's wife, that means Harun's mother, Suraya, but I am just telling you the name. It is not mentioned anywhere, so I am just enhancing your knowledge. Okay, some people call Rashid the ocean of notions, and those who dislike him called him the Shah of Blah. These two titles I will discuss later on, but you should know these words. Now, Harun often travels with his father, listening to stories night after night. He wondered sometime that where all these stories come from. When he used to ask his father, he used to answer from the great story sea, and further explains that water from the story sea comes from an invisible tap installed by one of the water genies, and you have to be a subscriber of that tap. One day Harun's mother ran off with their upstairs neighbor Mr. Sengupta, and this was just in a short explanation it is given. Okay, I am just giving you the idea. After this, Harun's mother left. Harun had trouble focusing, and Rashid finds he can no longer tell story. That means Rashid stopped telling stories. His imagination was blocked totally. Rashid was invited to tell stories at a political rally, but once he set foot on stage, the only words that come out of his mouth resemble like a crow, like some weird sounds like ark, ark. Harun wanted to make things right, but didn't know how. Now, first paragraph you will find that the politician who hired Rashid for campaigning his upcoming election what he did, in order to persuade or to flatter Rashid to campaign for him, the politician offered Rashid and Harun a stay on board his luxurious houseboat, and the name of that houseboat was Arabian Nights +1. In the first paragraph, students, you will find that the description that how beautifully the boat was decorated, it's given. So you will read. Then Harun and Rashid walked up to a wooden ladder onto a veranda of very in a complicated manner carved wood, and into a living room with crystal cylinders, means you will see that lamps hanging from the ceiling, and throne like seats with ornately brocade cushions. All these are decorated. So this is the lounge where they were relaxing, they were sitting, and this was the description of the lounge where they were sitting and relaxing and waiting for their rooms to board the rooms. Next you will find the boatman. In the third paragraph you will see the boatman showed Harun and Rashid to their bedrooms. Rashid contains a large painted wooden peacock, means inside Rashid's bedroom was a large painted wooden peacock that opens up when the uniformed boatman opened the wooden peacock. It revealed into a very soft, comfortable bed, and Harun's room has a similar bed in the shape of a turtle. Now, here students, you will find that Harun had trouble sleeping. He woke up in the middle of the night to hear his father from the next room saying he would rather retire than try to tell stories for that politician's name was Mr. Bhutto. You should know. It's not given here. It's not mentioned here. But I am giving you the name. So you will write for the politician and will be cancelling his subscription. Harun went into his father's room and told him he couldn't sleep because the turtle bed was too strange. His father agreed to switch beds, means to exchange their beds, noting that he would prefer a turtle to a peacock. Next, you will find that night, then I will give you here written that Harun tiptoed to the connecting door, means to the adjoining room, which was his father's room, where already I discussed he saw the Shah of Blah. Now, what is the meaning of Shah of Blah? Actually, Blah means something which is boring, without meaningful. So, the people who were jealous, his jealous enemies used to call him, means Rashid, Shah of Blah. And the people who really praised him, who really liked him, they called him Ocean of Notions. Notion means ideas. So, Rashid was referred to be the ocean of ideas because of his imagination, because of his stories which were full of imaginations. So I gave you that whenever he used to get on the stage, after his wife left him, only some weird sounds came out of his mouth. That's why he decided to cancel the subscription. Now, students, look here in this paragraph. You will find that night a water genie visited Arabian Nights +1. Remember what is Arabian Nights +1? The name of the boat. In response to Rashid's desire to cancel his subscription. Now, entering the peacock room, the genie looked around for the story tab so he could disconnect it. When you will go through, you will see, you will find whatever I am saying, it's there. So, then Harun was not sleeping, hearing the genie, and secretly watched the person So you will see that Harun noticed a very weird person who was wearing a onion-shaped turban and watched the blue-haired or the blue-beard creature, and it was none other than the water genie If. So then when genie finally noticed Harun, Harun was just from the gap of the door, he was watching genie's activities. Genie saw rectified Harun and he vanished from there, but in his hurry, left his disconnecting tool behind. Harun grabbed it. When the genie came back for it, he refused to return it. So in this paragraph, you will find that the blue-haired person, that genie, left his monkey wrench in hurry, which Harun rushed inside. Harun rushed inside the bathroom and grabbed it and held it tightly.